Hey, this is a video tutorial, How to Play Living Hope by Phil Wickham. This song has three main parts. You have your intro, you have your verses, you have your chorus. I'm gonna play each part and then teach each part. I'm gonna start by teaching the chorus because the chorus is the biggest part of the song. We do the chorus two different ways. One is a soft way, one is a big way. I'll show you each way and play it. Is G, played G, B, D, to a D. I invert the D, so it's playing at A, D, F sharp, to an A, C sharp, E, to a B minor, B, D, F sharp. And we're going to just rock back and forth. And you do that 3 times. The last time, on Jesus My Living Hope, you're going to do a G and an A. We're going to play the same chord progression, the same shape, so we're just going to arpeggiate it. Same chord shapes, we're going to start at the top. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get that out. This happens in the beginning, it happens between verse 1 and verse 2, and it can happen at the end if you want. I'll play it and then I'll teach it. Between a D chord, played A, G, F sharp, to an inverted G chord, played D, G, B. And then I'm going to walk. So I'm going to emphasize F sharp, D, D, F sharp, A, G, D, D. Walk back to that A, G, A. Verses. The chords are the same. They're going to be that D, A, D, F sharp, A, just regular A, G. On the G, when the melody goes up, you're going to play it inverted and high, A, G, B. When the melody goes down, you'll play the G down here. You have a B minor, an A. You're going to play a rocking pattern in verse 1, just a soft. Verse 2, play a tinkering thing. You can add a little more movement. What I could fathom, such boundless grace. You still want to leave room for it to build. And then on the very, very last, verse 4, when it's big, you're going to play the same shapes, but then you can arpeggiate it like we did that chorus.